Hello again, my name's Gabe Zolna. This is the 8th of February 2018. A couple of days ago I posted a video and I talked about a district judge by the name of Rudy Delgado being arrested by the FBI. Well, this is an update. This was posted on February the 7th, 2018. FBI charged a state district judge, Rudy Delgado, with accepting bribes. According to what was reported, Rudy Delgado accepted 3 bribes totaling more than $6,000 from an attorney who told investigators he has been bribing Delgado since 2008. Don't you think that attorney should lose his license as well, huh? The judge for the 93rd State District in Delgado County, about 25 miles north of the Mexican border, appeared to hear the charges Monday before U.S. Magistrate J. Scott Hacker in McAllen, who set bail at $100,000 and released him, according to the U.S. Department of Justice. The federal government has 30 days to indict Delgado, which will result in his automatic suspension without pay, Eric Bison, executive director of the State Commission on Judicial Conduct, told Texas lawyer on Tuesday. Delgado, 64, of Edinburgh, who is a candidate for a place on the 13th District Court of Appeals in Corpus Christi, declined to answer questions from local reporters upon his release, telling one he would allow the judicial process to run its course. I wonder what they do with a judge when he gets sent to prison. They got to put him in isolation, you know? According to the criminal complaint opened Monday, a local lawyer began cooperating with FBI investigators more than a year ago. Agents recorded calls and private meetings between the lawyer and Delgado to discuss releasing the lawyer's clients on bond. Delgado, the complaint said, took 2 bribes from the attorney totaling $520 beginning in November 2016 and January the 17th, with the attorney wearing a concealed recording wire. He gave Delgado $5,500 in cash in an area restaurant. In each case of bribe, Delgado compiled with the request and set bonds for the attorney's clients, according to records kept by Delgado's court. The complaint also outlines text messages between the judge and the attorney in which Delgado refers to the bribes as, quote, campaign contributions, and he asks for them to be made by check. Yeah, but he took the cash earlier, didn't he? FBI agents arrested Delgado last Friday on a formal felony charge of bribery concerning programs receiving federal funds. According to Judicial Conduct Commission records, Delgado has just had one other mark on his record, a suspension from the bench, and after a grand jury indicted him for driving while intoxicated in 2005. The commission lifted a suspension in 2007 after a visiting judge dismissed the criminal charges against Delgado. The 13th District Court of Appeals upheld the visiting judge's decision. You see how they sort of look after each other? Again, I wonder what's going to happen next. If he does go for trial, which hopefully he will, and if he's convicted and sent to prison, he's not going to have a good time. I mean, he sent a lot of people to prison. Some of them might be in that same prison that he's going to be sent to. Dirtbag. Absolute dirtbag. They never have enough. Here's the guy Mickey Mousing for 500, 600, 700, 800. Who knows how much he's received over the past number of years that he's been accepting bribes. And who knows if that attorney is the only attorney that's been bribing him. I mean, don't you think that that attorney might say, hey, Dave, or Mike, or Bob, or Bill, to his friendly other attorneys, Delgado's a patsy. Pay him, and your clients can walk. That all has to be investigated, does it not? That's sort of what I think. I read you the entire article, but I will attach the link for further review and consideration. Thanks for listening.